need some help?
Oh, we got a hook in
Here, get it out from around your pedal.
Dang, man. You gotta put me a Neuman outdoors for this one.
Uh-huh.
Look at this baby.
Here, 1 second. I'll turn you.
Bassmaster Championship. Right here, baby. This is the award winner.
Uh-huh. Here, 1 second.
Everybody looks up one for one.
I know it.
Oh, I gotta get spin it up so you can see. Holy cow. Do I know the good fishing holes or what?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That's, I don't know, maybe 2 pounds, 3 pounds, something like that.
That's 9 pounds if it's an ounce. Yeah, baby. Here,
Okay.
you gotta take a picture with my phone so I can show Mom.
Okay.
You got the scale with you?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Dude, we don't, here, grab this real quick. After you get your phone.
Dang. Holy crap, man.
Here, hold on. I'm gonna get one with my phone too.
I am the Bassmaster. I mean Bassmaster.
Yes. I don't know how big it is. I'm not good at telling weights. Okay, here. You know, sometimes I don't know. We'll see if it will work.
Sometimes it don't.
Yeah.
We gotta get it back up. Man, that's a nice fish.
Sometimes it struggles.
You mean this piece of junk is what you're saying?
No, it's going.
With the lip clip.
The lip clip.
I told Mom we had to have that.
Yeah.
2.64 ounce.
Pounds.
Or, yeah, sorry.
Okay, hold on.